Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency, and together with Wes Mutts, we're proud to represent 295 Dean Street here in Berserker. This renovated 3-bedroom home has a 10 kilowatt solar system and a generous shed out the back. Let's take a look.
My favourite part of this home must be how the light-filled kitchen and dining flows into this large living room that has lots of flexible usage.
.295 Dean Street is a wonderful home on a great allotment with wonderful facilities like this shed.
If this central location is something that appeals to you, get in touch with us for more information.